Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, definitely hit that subscribe button. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a design with me. I have a couple of other design with me's that I've done over the past couple of years, and I'll have them linked below in a playlist. I've done a double full box as well as a ombre heart checklist, and so I really thought it would be a fun idea to kind of show you guys my whole design process when it comes to designing a kit. These are going to be next Friday's new releases, which is May 8th, so I'm really excited. Hopefully you guys love this, and if you do, definitely give it a thumbs up. I will definitely be filming more. After this video, I do have another video coming out this week that is a day in the life of a sticker shop owner. And I also have another video that I'm planning on doing on why I left Etsy. So if you guys didn't realize, I am no longer an Etsy shop owner for ThePlanningQueen, of course. I do have another budgeting shop, Gazelle Stickers. I'll link that below if that's still on Etsy, but ThePlanningQueen is now a standalone website, and I am in love with just the creativity and all things that have to go into designing that website to make it the way that I want instead of the way that Etsy kind of lays out everything. So if you guys want to go check that out, again, links will be in the description, and I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm just going to let you listen to music the rest of the time. Keep in mind, I sped this video up a ton. In reality, I was working, I had to answer phones, and then I also had my daughter, because of the whole virus. She's been home with me every single day for the past 6 weeks, and now we're looking at 2 more weeks possibly, so that's going to be an adventure. But yeah, so there was just a lot going on. In reality, this took an hour and 45 minutes to film, so just keep that in mind. I condensed it down to a 13-minute video. I could have condensed it to a 5-minute video, but everything was just going way too fast. You couldn't actually see the design process if you guys are shop owners and you want to design with me. But yeah, so anyways, hope you guys enjoy. I will see you in Wednesday's video. Bye, everyone.
to myself.